How's everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in my garage and we're not going to be working on these cylinder heads. We are waiting on parts. What I got is a project that I've had kind of in my brain, written down on paper for, I don't know, about 3-4 years, and just never get time to do it. So what I'm going to be doing is I am making kind of like a fake old school looking telephone pole, 4 of them actually, and I'm going to be concreting them into these plastic kind of a whiskey barrel looking deal. And I actually have glass insulators somewhere right here. I've got a few of these. I got to buy a few more because we added one pole at the last minute. But these glass insulators will be sitting on the 2x4, similar to this, kind of like what you would see if you're familiar with the old school telephone poles. If you're lost completely on what I'm doing, you're in luck. I have a AutoCAD drawing of what I'm going to attempt. So just kind of let that sink in there. So you got your barrel, your concrete, your post, your 2x4, your glass insulators. So pretty simple. And we are going to be stringing like the patio lights or party lights, whatever you'd like to call them, from that. So I've already got these stained these a couple days ago. And then I still got to stain the 2x4s. So I went a little bit darker than I wanted to, actually. This is an espresso stain I use for the, I say 4x4s, they're landscape timbers. They're 8-foot landscape timbers. And this is what I'm gonna be using for the 2x4s. The reason why I went with landscape timbers instead of 4x4s is I wanted a little bit more of a rounded look. So I've kind of devised a plan here to get these erected and level and straight, and then put concrete in and water in and let it do its thing. Pretty happy with that. So I'm gonna set up another one. All right, so I got them concreted in, and cut a little piece of PVC pipe in half and kind of got it as a low point. The plan is to put some dirt in here and plant some flowers at some point. And I busted up some patio pavers that we had just sitting around, kind of act as a filler, so I'm not using so much concrete. But yep, so now just wait for them to dry and then do the next two. So while the concrete is drying, what I did is I went ahead and I'm pre-drilling so it doesn't split when I mount it to the post, but also went ahead and did the hole saw. This threads down in there perfectly, and then I'm just going to thread it all the way down, and then once you thread it all the way down, these will thread onto that. So that's kind of the look we're going for. Obviously I'm going to sink them in further. Before I do all that, I'm going to stain the 2x4, but that's what I'm doing right now while that's drying. All right, so those are done. I got these out in the driveway. About to set up and do the other two, as you can see. But this is where I'm gonna leave y'all. Still gotta stain these. One of the things is when you're trying to film and do stuff, it's difficult to try to like show something or whatever. So if you want to see the finished product, you want to see the rest of the video, go check out Sharondipity's channel. She's gonna be filming the rest of everything I'm doing today, and up until this is finished. This is gonna be a couple day project.
Yeah.
It's gonna take a little bit of time. So
Especially to string the lights up and everything else.
yeah, we still gotta string the lights up and stuff. And then also too, probably in her video, hopefully, all this flagstone will be done by by Bridget. Bridget's gonna finish the flagstone. So that's gonna do it for me today. I'm already tired just for doing what I've done so far. So I'm gonna finish up and do the other two. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, ring the notification bell. The link for her video will be in the description below. And also I'll probably put it over here. Click right here. Should be right there. Have a good one. See you on the next one.